Have you or someone you know been denied recently for a mortgage? It can feel absolutely devastating and make you feel powerless to know that the loan that you applied for and were hoping to get got rejected. But what if you knew exactly what to do when your loan was denied in order to ensure that you made your next mortgage application a successful one that actually made it through to closing? In our lesson today, I wanted to shed some light on what to do when your mortgage is rejected, the questions you need to be asking to ensure you can learn from the experience and fix the issues that caused the denial in the first place.
How would somebody even know that they've been denied?
So there's really two different ways you'll find out that you were denied for a mortgage. I'd say the first one, and probably the most common, is you're going to get a phone call or an email from the loan officer that you applied with. But the second thing that you may find out is if you get a denial notice in the mail. So there is a law called the Equal Credit Opportunity Act, and it requires that mortgage lenders notify you within a certain period of time of your mortgage being denied. I believe it's 30 days. They have to tell you within that timeline that your mortgage was denied and why it was denied. Now, that can hit people hard because they are like, well, you sent me this in the mail and I didn't even hear from anyone. Nobody even talked to me. It's like I'm just a number. You denied me and that was it. I'm on my merry way. Throw me to the wolves.
What are some of the reasons? What are some of the main reasons why somebody would even get denied for a mortgage?
I would say the number one reason is their credit score is too low. For most loan programs nowadays, you really need to have a 620 minimum score. Some require higher scores than that, but that's really the bare bones minimum to get in the door. So the next reason is going to be insufficient funds for closing. I've had people come to me that have good credit and good income, all the ducks are in a row, but then they have no money for closing. You do need money to buy a home right now today. You need to be able to put up the money for closing and you need to have enough for down payment. And depending on your situation, you might even need reserves to show you've got after closing. The next one's going to be a recent credit event. So a recent credit event would be like a short sale, a foreclosure, a repossession, something like that. The last one of why a loan gets denied is going to be collateral. So that would mean like the appraisal, something's wrong with the condition of the property. If you're buying a condominium, maybe the condo association is in a lawsuit.
There's got to be some misconceptions as well.
There's a lot of misconceptions about getting denied that I hear every single day. I think the biggest one is people think that if I get denied for a loan, everybody's going to know about it. So like it's going to be on your credit and say Gary was denied for his mortgage. That's not the case. It doesn't show anywhere. Another thing is that it lowers your credit score. So people think, well, if I apply for a mortgage and it doesn't go through, my score is going to go down. And that's incorrect. The next thing is that public records are involved with denials for a mortgage. So when you get denied for a loan, it is private. It's between you, the bank, and that's it. Another big myth is that you have to wait a certain amount of time after you get denied to reapply. I've had people that got denied from their local bank literally come to me the week after, apply with me, and get the loan approved. It happens all the time because lenders have different guidelines. The last one's going to be that people think all of the mortgage companies are all the same. That's absolutely incorrect. Every single bank has different, what we call in the industry, overlays. So a bank like mine, we're a mortgage bank. We sell loans directly to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. What that means to you is we don't have overlays.
Rob, nobody wants to ever get denied a mortgage. What are some things that somebody can do to strengthen their chances to obtain a mortgage?
So if you're thinking you may want to refinance or buy a home in the next couple of months or even year, what I would say is the main things you could be doing is pay down your credit card debt. Next thing is just get with a lender way ahead of time to address any potential issues. You also want to get your funds ready. Have your documents in order, your pay stubs, W-2s, bank statements, tax returns, divorce decrees, etc. And the last thing is you want to put it all out on the table. Don't hold back. Information about your past, like child support you owed, a previous foreclosure, bankruptcy, short sale, put that all out on the table. We're going to find out. I'm telling you now, we're going to find out. So if you don't tell us, we will come to you later and it could cause a big issue. You're better off just being honest.
How many lenders should I actually speak with before just choosing to give it all up?
You really want to talk to at least 3 lenders before completely throwing in the towel and giving up. The situation really looked like this. You Apply with one lender and they deny you. You find out why you got denied for that loan. Then you go and you contact another lender and let them know, hey, I was just denied for a mortgage from XYZ Credit Union. You want to let them know why you were denied so then they can tell you if they can help you based on that. But once you talk to 3 lenders or so, you should get an idea of where you're at and if it makes sense to apply with any of them, or if your situation is so bad, it's not worth it.
Okay.
It's really important to me that you now understand getting denied for a mortgage, it doesn't have to be devastating and it doesn't have to be the end of the world. It's all about what you take from it and what you learn from it to get better in the future. So if you found value in our lesson today, go ahead and share this with somebody else that may also enjoy it. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and smash the bell so you get notified on all of our future content. We're putting out tons of new videos and information every single week to keep you on the cutting edge when it comes to finance and real estate. If I can be of assistance to you or anyone that you know, I do offer consultations. You can reach me by call, text, or private message. Call or text me at 860-413-3938. As always, I hope that helps, and we'll see you soon. Take care.